Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will be discussing on how to download Castle movie app on Android TV. Now this is a somewhat complicated process, so let's dive right in. So first things first, as we all know, Castle is a third-party streaming application that provides a great number of movies, TV shows, and sport events, as well as live TV channels. Now in order to download this, you need first to enable unknown sources on your TV. Before installing it, you need to allow your device to install apps from unknown sources. Upon settings on your Android TV, navigate to security and restrictions, select unknown sources and enable it for the browser or file manager you use for downloading the APK. Now, second step is open a web browser on your TV or another device and search for Castle APK's latest version download. Go ahead and download that. Once you've done that, use the file manager app on your TV to locate the file and open it, and then go ahead and click on begin installation. Once you've done that, go ahead and simply open up your Castle app, and now you have full access to your number of shows, live events, live TV shows, and more. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.